I'm interested in fundamentals because I think it's the closest you can get to God. We live in a world that was designed with very few basic rules. And those basic rules generated atoms and molecules and critters and stars. It's astounding what's come out of those few basic rules. And the more you can understand what's happening, the closer you can get to maybe understanding God. My name is Kerry Hips. I usually go by my initials, KW. People call me KW.
I call him Kerry most of the time.
I call him Dr. Hips.
I call him K-Dub. I don't know why I call him K-Dub.
It's always been Kerry.
From a pretty early age, I was interested in chemistry. I did things like gave myself pneumonia from overexposure to chlorine gas when I was playing, making chlorine in the bathroom. My mother wasn't very happy about that. A lot of it was interest in loud noises and bright flashes, right? Explosions and that kind of thing.
I knew him when he was here as a student. He got his degree in chemical physics somewhere in the 70s, and I was just a new faculty member. Kerry was an amazing student.
I think Kerry provides a really unique perspective because of his matriculation here as a PhD student, as well as working through the ranks of being a faculty member and what he's accomplished as a chair and also in his own research program.
Chemical physics is an extremely interdisciplinary discipline. It has to be, because you're not just working with theories, you're not just doing experiments. Part of the job is instrumentation generation. And so you have to know something about electronics, you have to know something about machine shop, you have to know something about mathematics, you have to know something about physics, you have to know something about chemistry. Did I mention electronics? Electronics is important too.
He is one of the most interdisciplinary scientists that I have known. He is very good at linking those basics to the new innovative research that he does.
I think the thing that Kerry is known best for is he can take an experiment and devise new creative ways of making measurements, but he also has a very good understanding of the theory. And so that allows his papers to have a lot of impact.
I don't think I'd be here where I am right now if it weren't for my wife, Ursula Mazer, who's also a full professor of chemistry here in the department. She's been really important in a lot of ways to my scientific success. To not mention her would be a big mistake.
Dr. Hips is a genius scientist, a great mentor, and also a great person to work with.
He's so smart, and that can be super intimidating. You always had the sense when you was lecturing that this is the most important thing in the world that I need to understand. It just came out of his pores.
I still teach undergraduate classes at this point in my career. It's why I became a professor. In some ways, teaching these classes has more effect on future generations than anything else that I do. You may be implanting something, some idea into their head that in later life is going to make a big difference to our society.
I think KW's legacy is going to be one where people are inspired to dig deeply into a topic and to really understand in a very meaningful level fundamental science.
Is Kerry going to see this?
Yes.
Oh, it's probably going to go to his head.
Congratulations, Your Eminence.
Kerry, I want to say that I think you really deserve this award and have lots of fun in your laboratory and in your future.
Hey, Dr. Hips, I'm really proud of what you've achieved.
I can't think of another faculty member that is more deserving of the Eminent Faculty Award than you.